My dear Dasarians, the non-Brahmins, Vanakkam. Be proud to be Shudras. Since your ancestors earned this title, not because they were born as a low caste, as described by the evil Varnashrama theory, but because they found the formulae, the Shudras, to reach God. Let us see what Krishna, Kannapiran in Tamil, the very great Sutradhari, says in one of his sutras, the Jnana Vijnana Yogam. Whoever worships me with sincerity is superior to all yogis, says non-Brahmana Swami Krishna. Kannapiran says, of the countless people who seek perfection, only someone knows me as I am. Kanna says that only his power alone has spread as 8 segments what we see in this physical world. The basic 5 elements, the earth, water, fire, air, and sky, and the mind and intellect and the egotism are there. But this is my normal power. The power that is better and source of life is different. That is the power that the world is supported. All living beings are born by these 2 powers. He says, I am the cause of the origin and operation of this universe. Nothing better than me. We are worshipping Kanna Paramatma as the God in human form. But Kannapiran explains how he is in each and everything. Somehow we are leaving the fort without thinking of them as Krishna. Tasty in water, the light in the sun and moon, Om in Vedas, sound in the sky, life in life, smell in the soil, bright in the fire, life of life, as penance of the Tavasis, the seed of all living beings, and the knowledge of the wise, and the superiors of the superiors, and the strong esteem of the strong, as the worldly desires that do not contradict the dharma of life, he describes himself as being. Bewildering due to Sattvic, Rajasam and Tamasam, the 3 qualities, people know themselves as the same 3-way human being. He says that they do not feel themselves as the immortal above all. Krishna says that all these 3 quality substances originated only from himself. They are in me, I am not in them. This sentence is a very deep lyrical teaching. He says that the 3-fold division of primary qualities is an illusion, Maya, though it is divine and hence cannot be overcome. He says that only those who surrender unto him can overcome. The evil ones do not seek me, says Kannapiran. He divides those who seek him into 4 categories. He who is in distress seeks knowledge, seeks wealth, and the Jnani who has realized the truth. The Jnani among them is my favorite. There is no difference between me and the Jnani. This sage who is born in many births finally finds that everything is godly and reaches me. Such a sage is invincible. Kanna Paramatma says that it is he actually who is fulfilling the desires of those who worship other deities by greed. However, he says that these benefits will bring only a limited happiness. The following 3 slogans are the most important words of Krishna, worth remembering. I, who is well concealed by the illusion of yoga, am not visible to everyone. The fools cannot know that I am free from birth and death. I know all the dead, the living beings that are to be born, but none of them know me. Since the sinless virtuous surrender to me with determination, they know all the truths about God, soul and karma. Preaches non-Brahmana Swami Kannapiran to non-Brahmin Arjunan. Om Nandri Vanakkam.